The Carpuride W703 Wireless CarPlay Receiver offers seamless integration with both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, allowing you to effortlessly connect your smartphone via Bluetooth. Equipped with a high-definition loop recording feature, the device captures every detail of your drive with a 4K front and 1080p rear camera, ensuring safety and peace of mind. The built-in collision sensor locks video footage during serious accidents, while the front camera's 350-degree rotation provides comprehensive monitoring. With intelligent brightness control and a one-touch screen off feature, it enhances your driving experience by ensuring optimal visibility both day and night. The device supports 2 ways of mirror linking and provides 4 audio outputs, offering an exceptional audio-visual experience with options like Bluetooth audio and FM radio. Installation is straightforward with adjustable brackets, and the extendable suction cup ensures secure attachment to your dashboard or windshield.